all, are you a job seeker? In today's video, we are going to see about the top 7 resume mistakes that you should avoid. Let's get into the video. Mistake number 1. Unprofessional photo. Say goodbye to your party pic. Use your professional photo to impress recruiters. Mistake 2. Spelling errors. Proofread your resume to avoid looking unprofessional. Mistake 3. Overstating skills. Be honest, do not promise what you can't deliver. Mistake 4. Neglecting technical skills. Highlight your technical skills to stand out. Mistake 5. Copying resume. Create your own resume for your unique qualification. Mistake 6. Missing your date, sign and location. Add specific signature and your place. Mistake 7. False hobbies. Be truthful about your hobbies to avoid interview setback. Fix these blunders to boost your chance of your landing dream jobs. Your resume is your first impression, so make it count. For more videos, do follow Shiash Info Solutions.